Bill Monroe and his Bluegrass Boys, and the master of the five-string banjo, the great Earl Scruggs. Yeah! Oh, Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. So bend over, angel, coming after me. Coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot.